You are in a Korean restaurant, right? What are you eating?
Korean rice.
And
Yellow mango shake.
wow, is that sweet? How about mommy? What does mommy have?
No, no.
Mommy's on diet.
Si mommy's on diet now, so that's mommy. And okay, why don't you sing for us?
Sing daw, sing.
Dapat with action. Kasi we're trying the video eh.
Ayun ka pa nahiya?
Umimi, your song na lang.
My song?
There.
My body is a wonderland. Don't you think? Don't you wish your girlfriend is